In this video, we will explore the top 4 LED grow lights and aquarium lights for 2026, highlighting features, efficiency, and performance so you can make the best choice for your plants and aquatic setups. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below. So let's jump right in. Number 4. BOSYTRO LED Plant Lights. The BOSYTRO LED plant lights offer both 1200 watt and 2000 watt options, providing dual dimmable VEG and bloom modes suitable for all stages of plant growth. Designed with a full spectrum output, these grow lights support germination, vegetative growth, and flowering phases efficiently. The 2000 watt model measures 41 by 31, 5 by 5 centimeters, and draws only 200 watt of power, while delivering a luminous efficiency equivalent to 2000 watt, while the 1200 watt model is more compact at 30 by 21 by 5 centimeters and draws 120 watt. A built-in silent cooling fan ensures excellent heat dissipation, keeping the lamp cool and safe for prolonged use. The dual mode feature allows switching between VEG bloom or VEG plus bloom modes, optimizing light for different growth stages. White and blue light boost photosynthesis and root development. Red and warm light enhance stem, elongation, and flowering, while infrared and ultraviolet light accelerate phytochrome conversion, resin production, and overall plant immunity, resulting in higher yields. The package includes the LED grow lamp, power cable, hanging sets, adjustable rope, protective sunglasses, and a user manual. It supports daisy chain connections for multiple lamps and offers over 54,000 hours of lifespan, backed by a 1-year warranty. With low heat output, practical cooling, and customizable light modes, the BOSYTRO LED plant lights deliver efficient energy use and versatile functionality for both home growers and professional setups. These lights combine power, spectrum accuracy, and durability, making them an ideal solution for anyone looking to maximize plant growth and yield. Number 3. MasterGrow LED Grow Light. The MasterGrow LED Grow Light Complete Kit combines a premium grow tent with versatile full-spectrum LED lighting to support all stages of plant growth. The tent is made from commercial-grade 600D Oxford nylon fabric, which is puncture-resistant, waterproof, fire-resistant, and non-toxic. Its heavy-duty, fully opaque construction blocks ambient light, while the highly reflective interior ensures plants utilize all supplied light efficiently. Industrial strength, oversized zippers provide durability, and a double floor with a 5-inch tall lip adds extra protection against spills or leaks. The powder-coated tubular steel frame offers sturdy support for lighting, ventilation, and odor control systems, with tool-free assembly using spring-loaded pins for quick setup. Multiple ducted ports and mesh-covered vent windows allow precise control over ventilation, wiring, and filtration. The kit includes MasterGrow Diamond II and TS Series LED grow lights, ranging from 300 watt to 2000 watt, featuring double chip LEDs with full spectrum coverage for vegetative and flowering stages. Each light operates with energy-efficient power consumption significantly lower than comparable models, while providing high lumen output and coverage areas adjustable for plant height and type. The TS series includes dual VEG and bloom switches, allowing targeted lighting for growth or flowering phases. The MasterGrow QB C1000 watt LED grow light features LM281B LEDs, dimmable 110 volts, full spectrum including infrared, highlight efficiency, passive heat treatment, and an IP65 waterproof rating. With over 54,000 hours of lifespan and a compact, durable design, these lights provide professional-grade performance suitable for hydroponic, aeroponic, and soil-based cultivation, delivering maximum yield and optimal plant health. Number 2. SOLIDEE Grow Light. The SOLIDEE 240-watt Quick Spider L2 LED Grow Light is designed for full-stage indoor plant cultivation, providing a ppEFD of up to 13 micromoles, surpassing the Samsung LM301 EVO. Its aluminum body ensures durability and efficient heat dissipation, while the embedded isolated driver guarantees long-term stability and a 5-year lifespan. The light operates reliably across a wide voltage range from 90 volts to 265 volts, making it suitable for diverse power systems without compromising performance. The Grow Light features a comprehensive spectrum, including 3000K, 5000K, 660 nanometer red, 730 nanometer infrared, and 395 nanometer ultraviolets, supporting all stages of plant growth from seedlings to flowering. The dimmable function allows precise adjustment of light intensity from 10% to 100%, optimizing energy use and plant development. With 628 high-power LEDs, the light delivers uniform coverage and strong photosynthetic stimulation at 30 centimeters above the canopy, ensuring healthy and vigorous vegetation. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, and the compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for small spaces. The light includes a universal plug with country-specific adapters, and its energy-efficient design emits minimal heat while maintaining high performance. SOLIDEE has also prioritized eco-friendly packaging and construction, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Combining advanced LED technology, full-spectrum lighting, efficient energy use, and robust construction, the SOLIDEE 240-watt Quick Spider L2 LED Grow Light provides an effective and reliable solution for hydroponic and indoor plant growers seeking consistent yields and optimal plant health. Number 1. YUXINOU. The YUXINOU Grow Light is a powerful option for greenhouse and indoor plant cultivation. Available in 240 watt, 320 watt, 480 watt, 650 watt, 800 watt, and 1000 watt model. It features top-bin Samsung LM301 HEVO LEDs, delivering 2.8 micromoles per joule for high energy efficiency, ensuring up to 30% higher yields compared to older blurple LED lights. This full-spectrum phyto lamp covers 380 nanometers to 780 nanometers, combining 3500 K white light, 660 nanometers red, 730 nanometers infrared, and 395 nanometers ultraviolet for all stages of plant growth. The light includes a high-quality Meanwell driver for 240 watt to 480 watt models and CE approved drivers for 650 watt to 1000 watt units, ensuring stable operation and longevity up to 50,000 hours. Its light output reaches 200 lumens per watt, and the product comes in a silver case with multiple LED configurations ranging from 472 to 1632 pieces. Input voltage spans 85 to 277 volts AC with a frequency of 50 or 60 Hz. Designed for vegetable, flower, and herbal cultivation, it is ideal for seedlings, vegetative, and bloom stages. The unit supports infinite dimming, separate REDIR, and UV control and daisy chain functionality. Operating conditions range from -20 to 40 degrees Celsius and 45 to 90% relative humidity. Proper installation height is recommended between 0.8 and 1.2 meters to optimize energy and prevent plant damage. The YUXINOU ensures precise light control and consistent growth for professional indoor growers. There you have it, the top 4 LED grow and aquarium lights of 2026. Perfect for boosting growth and keeping your aquatic world vibrant. Make sure to check the description for all product links and current prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest reviews and recommendations.